How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your device. Log into your account and navigate to three-bar menu icon at top. Now select your icon at top right to access setting page. Scroll down, tap on Privacy and Safety option. Under Security, choose End-to-end Encrypted Chats. Now choose Manage Storage option and now scroll to the bottom of your screen and make sure it is set to back up your message to your phone's secure storage. If not, you can tap on Turn on Secure Storage and now you can enter your PIN to restore your chat history. Once you have followed that step, you need to head towards the next step that you simply need to go back. And now you can easily tap on See More in Account Center at bottom from this Me page. Here you need to look for your informations and permission. Tap on it. Now tap Download your information. Then you simply need to choose Messages and adjust the date range, and you can easily create files and wait for the process to complete. This will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Once the file is ready within 24 hours, you can tap Download and you'll be able to see your encrypted messages from Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.